Hello again, everyone, and welcome to Chapter 4. Welcome back to Chapter 4 of English Pronunciation and Conversation. This chapter focusing on final consonant sounds. Quick pronunciation tip and definition of what does it mean to have a voiced versus voiceless consonant sound. Essentially, the difference between voiced and voiceless. Voiced consonant sounds, you can hear and feel a vibration in your vocal cords when you pronounce that consonant sound. So for example, robe, b, b, b. That final consonant sound, b. Say that consonant sound and hold your throat and see if you can feel a vibration. B, b, b. Should feel a vibration there. How about code? Code, d, d, d. B is a voiced consonant sound. So too is D. These have a vibration when you pronounce them, and that's what makes them voiced. Some other examples of voiced consonant sounds. Pig, g, g, g. Leave, v, v, v. Prize, z, z, z. All of these final consonants have voiced sounds. Now let's take a look at voiceless. Some examples of voiceless consonant sounds. Rope. No vibration. Voiceless. Coat. T, t, t. Voiceless, no vibration. Pick. K, k, k. Leaf. Pride, price, s, s, s. All of these consonant sounds, final consonant sounds, are voiceless. And again, the difference between voiced and voiceless is the vibration. Now let's try these together. Rope, robe, b. And see if you can feel the difference. Coat, t, t. Code, d, d. Pick, k, k. Pig, g, g. Leaf, f, f. Leave, v, v. Price, s, s. Prize, z, z. And what they want you to pick up on here is that vowels before final voiced consonants, vowels before final voiced consonants sound longer than vowels before final voiceless consonants. So taking a look at those again, see the difference. That voiced final consonant sounds that are voiced sound longer in the pronunciation than they do the voiceless. Rope, robe. Coat, code. Pick, pig. Leaf, leave. It's a really good example. Price, prize. Vowels before final consonants, final voiced consonants, sound longer than vowels before voiceless consonants. So we call these minimal pairs, right? Words that sound really similar to one another, and there's only one difference, right? In this case, p, p, and b, b, t, t, and d, d, k, k, and g, g. Only one sound difference. How do we know the difference? Well, voiced versus voiceless. Vibration, voiced. no vibration, voiceless. How else can we tell the difference between these two words? One sounds longer than the other, and the ones that are voiced sound longer than the voiceless final consonants. You have here a list, too, that I included right above the video of common voiceless consonant sounds and voiced consonant sounds.